Do you like my new hairstyle for today's video? I hope so.
On Wednesdays, we wear pink.
Girl, can we talk about how looking pretty every day isn't actually about having perfect features or wearing tons of makeup? Sometimes it's literally about the little things you do consistently. So here are 7 beauty tips that can make you look and feel ridiculously pretty every single day. Girl, quick little announcement. I just launched my online shop. Yes, I have cute digital planners, affirmation cards, and printable wall art to help you organize your life, stay motivated, and create your dream aesthetic. Everything is made for girls who are working on their glow up mindset and becoming the best selves. So if that sounds like you, check out my shop through the link in my bio, okay? Tip number 1. Take care of your skin. Girl, your skin is literally the canvas for everything else. You don't need a crazy 15-step skincare routine to have beautiful skin. Start with the basics. Cleanse, moisturize, and always wear sunscreen. Very important. And please don't pick at every little imperfection you see. Give your skin time to heal and actually be consistent with your routine. Healthy skin will always make you look more fresh and put together. So instead of chasing perfect skin, focus on taking care of the skin you already have, okay? Tip number 2, take care of your hair. Very important. Never underestimate how much your hair can change your entire appearance. Like, for example, me in this moment. I look so good. So find a simple hair routine that actually works for your hair type. Keep your hair hydrated and be gentle when brushing or detangling it. You don't need to straighten or curl it every single day to look pretty. No! Sometimes healthy, natural looking hair is literally all you need. And please remember to take care of your ends too, girl, okay? Because shiny, healthy hair can instantly make you feel more confident. So, yeah. Tip number 3. Smell amazing. Look at my hair now. Okay, girl, let's talk about smelling good. A beautiful scent can make you feel instantly more feminine and confident. Start with a good shower and a body lotion that you love. Then add your favorite perfume or body mist. You can even put a little fragrance on your clothes or hairbrush. The goal isn't to use a million products, but to smell clean and fresh. Trust me, smelling amazing is one of those little details people remember. Okay, so tip number 4. No, it's not. It's 4. Take care of your lips. Your lips might seem like a tiny detail, but they can make a big difference. Keep them moisturized throughout the day with your favorite lip balm. If they're dry, gently exfoliate them instead of aggressively scrubbing, okay? You can also add a little lip gloss for that effortless, juicy look. And don't forget to stay hydrated because beauty starts from the inside too. Okay, girl, you don't need a complicated lip routine to make your lips look pretty. Sometimes hydrated, glossy lips are literally enough, okay? So stay hydrated. This is very important. Stay hydrated. So refreshing. Yeah, go with the tip number what? Say it. Number 5, okay? Girl, this one is completely free, so please don't skip it.
And I'm sorry I told everyone about it. And I'm sorry for repeating it now.
Your posture can completely change how you look and carry yourself. Try keeping your shoulders relaxed and your back straight. Lift your head instead of constantly looking down at your phone, okay?
Okay.
Good posture can instantly make you look more confident and elegant, and the best part is that it doesn't cost you anything. So walk into every room like you belong there, because you do.
That was the best it ever was.
Let's go with tip number 6. Romanticize your beauty routine. Your beauty routine shouldn't feel like another boring task on your to-do list. Put on your favorite playlist while you get it ready. Make your skincare routine feel like a little self-care moment. Wear your cutest pajamas or robe and take your time when you can. You don't have to wait for a special occasion to take care of yourself. You deserve to feel pretty even when you're just staying home. Start romanticizing the little moments and your everyday life will feel so much better. I promise, okay? So let's go with tip number 7. Build your confidence. And finally, girl, this is probably the most important beauty tip. Okay, you can have perfect hair, makeup, and the cutest outfit in the world, but if you constantly criticize yourself, you'll never feel pretty enough. Start being careful about the way you talk to yourself. Instead of saying, oh my gosh, I look horrible today, I look, I don't like my nose, I don't like my eyes, whatever it is, try saying, I'm still learning to love myself, okay? Or I love myself, I care about myself. Remind yourself that your beauty isn't something you have to earn. No, absolutely not, because confidence is the glow that no makeup product can ever replace. So every morning remind yourself, I am beautiful, I take care of myself, I deserve to feel confident, because the goal isn't to become a completely different person. No, it's to become the best, most confident version of you, okay? So there you go. And that's it for today's video. And let me know in the comments which tip is your favorite, okay? And I'll see you in the next video, okay? So bye. Remember to subscribe to the channel, very important. Bye. Stay hydrated, by the way. Bye, girls. I love you so much. Bye.